Hello everyone. Do you want to manage multiple email addresses within Outlook? Today I will show you how to set up an email alias to streamline your communications. So now let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft account website. Sign in with your primary Outlook email credentials. Now click on your info at the top of the page to access your account settings. Then, under Account Info, select Manage how you sign into Microsoft. Click on Add Email and choose Create a new email address or add an existing email address as a Microsoft account alias. Enter the desired alias and follow the prompts to verify it. Now, if you want the new alias to be your primary email address, select Make Primary next to the alias in your account settings. Now, next, open the Outlook and go to File, then Account, then Settings, and then Account Settings. Select your email account and click Change in the email address field. And that's it. That is how to set an email alias in Outlook. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.